Hi everyone, my name is Wilfredi Mosquera. In this opportunity, I'm going to share with you my own suggestion where I encourage a person to learn a new language. The first step or the first tips is you should learn another language to open the doors of a working world. In this way, your professional qualification in competition will be mostly referenced. The second point is I advise you to learn another language so that you can interact easy with other cultures and offering a wide and safe way to diversity of your own tradition. Oh, another suggestion is I suggest you to learn another language because that allows you to enrich your social work life and help you exercise your mind. If I were you, I would learn another language to better understand others, understanding that their expression are different from mine. Therefore, their meaning may be vary. You should start learning another language to understand yours, since many expressions of my language come from another language too. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your pay attention to me, and I invite you to learn another language because it's important for your life. Bye bye.